Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How is your studies going? Next week onwards, you have series exam. That changed, right? What is the new date?
10th.
10th. So it's our 10th presentation. 10th presentation of Module 5.
The last topic.
ഇതാണ് last topic. Next class onwards, we will do some problems from first module to sixth module. We will start with sixth module itself because we have very familiar with the sixth module. So next class we will do it with tomorrow we will do some problem with sixth module. After that we will go to third and fourth because next week you have series exam, right? So we will do some problems with 3 and 4 module. After that we will go to first and second as well as five. This is our plan. The joint students, please put your attendance in the comment window. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the topic Hayes theory. Till now we have discussed different theories that including maximum principal stress theory, maximum shear stress theory, maximum principal strain theory, distortion strain energy theory, and now we will discuss maximum principal strain energy theory, or it is also known as Hayes theory. You should remember all those theory names. The maximum principal stress theory is Rankine theory, shear stress theory is Guest theory, principal strain theory is Sen-Valence theory, and all other theories. The distortion is the von Mises and which is pending. Every theory should be remembered by its name also. And the last one is maximum principal strain energy theory, or it is also known as Hayes theory. So we will directly go to the theory. According to maximum strain energy theory, there are two strain energy theories. One is maximum strain energy theory and other one is distortion energy theory. So according to maximum strain energy theory, here instead of shear strain energy, we are considering the normal strain energy. That is, the theory states that failure or yielding occurs at point in a member when the strain energy per unit volume in biaxial or triaxial stress system reaches limiting stress strain energy as determined from simple tension test. This is a basic theory of maximum strain energy theory. And for that, first of all, you need to derive equation for strain energy, normal strain energy, that is U is equal to 1 by 2 E into sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square minus 2 mu into sigma 1 sigma 2. And the result found from tension test, that is a simple tension test, that is taken as U2, that is found out as 1 by 2E into SYT or sigma YT. Better you have to write sigma YT. I will change that thing. SYT should be written as sigma YT. That will be better. Or the second equation, the final equation, when 1 by 2E cancels on both sides, this will be the final relation of maximum strain energy theory. And you have to know the proof, how this theory is coming. For that, we need to study the proof. Before that, please write down this statement. Take your notebook. Take your notebook. അഞ്ചാമത്തെ പോയിന്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുക, അഥവാ അഞ്ചാമത്തെ തിയറി, the fifth theory. Heading maximum strain energy theory. Maximum strain energy theory. Maximum strain energy theory. Bracket Hayes theory. ബ്രാക്കറ്റിലെ ഹെയ്സ് തിയറി. The theory states that the theory states that failure or yielding occurs at a point in a member when strain energy per unit volume when the 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 strain energy per unit volume in a biaxial or triaxial stress system 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 reaches the limiting strain energy 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 as determined from simple tension test as determined from simple tension test as determined from simple tension test as determined from simple tension test. If the maximum strain if the maximum strain energy U1 equal to equation നോക്കിയെന്ന് എഴുതുക, തെറ്റിക്കരുത്. 1/2 E ഇൻറ്റു ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ ഡബിൾ ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ സിഗ്മ 1 സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് സിഗ്മ 2 സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് 2 ഇൻറ്റു mu ഇൻറ്റു സിഗ്മ 1 സിഗ്മ 2. U1 equal to 1/2E ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനുള്ളിൽ സിഗ്മ 1 സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് സിഗ്മ 2 സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ് 2 mu സിഗ്മ 1 സിഗ്മ 2. Limiting strain energy. Next line എഴുതുക. Limiting strain energy from tension test. Limiting strain energy per limiting strain energy per limiting strain energy from tension test. U2 equal to 1/2E into sigma yt square. U2 equal to 1/2E into sigma yt square. ഈ ആദ്യത്തേന് ഇക്വേഷൻ 1 കൊടുത്തു, സെക്കൻഡിന് ഇക്വേഷൻ 2 എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുക. അതായത് equating equation 1 and 2, please write equating equation 1 and 2, equating equation 1 and 2, we will get, please note down, sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square minus 2 mu sigma 1 sigma 2 equal to sigma yt square. Sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square minus 2 mu sigma 1 sigma 2 equal to sigma yt square. This is the common equation. This is the basic equation in which factor of safety is not mentioned. You have to add factor of safety. If the question is factor of safety, you have to find out factor of safety. So you are going to write the proof of this theory. For that, first of all, you must write a heading proof. That is, normal strain energy equation should be known to you. This is the basic strain energy equation. If there is only single axis is acting, then total strain energy will be 1 by 2 sigma epsilon. So here there are three axial, triaxial stress system. That's why your equation has been become as U total equal to 1 by 2 sigma 1 epsilon 1 plus 1 by 2 sigma 2 epsilon 2 plus 1 by 2 sigma 3 epsilon 3. If this is the equation, this is the basic equation you have studied before also. So you need to know what is strain. The strain equation for a triaxial is given as like this. This equation can be seen in the previous problem, that is sigma epsilon max is given in a previous problem, that is principal strain theory. In that theory we have epsilon max equation. From that itself you can understand that epsilon 1 equal to 1 by E into sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 plus sigma 3, or this can be expressed as, you know that strain is stress by Young's modulus, and whenever you are writing an equation epsilon, that will be sigma by E. But if there are triaxial stress, this equation also includes the effect of other side stresses. That is, if this is sigma 1, then this will become mu into sigma 2 divided by E minus mu into sigma 3 divided by E. This is the basic equation, epsilon equation. So that from this equation, you need to get all other equations. So this is the basic equation. If you see this one, this is same equation as given here. 1 by E is taken outside, sigma 1 is kept here. Both these terms are minus, so that minus taken outside and Poisson's ratio is taken outside. So inside the bracket that will be sigma 2 plus sigma 3. Similarly, if you substitute sigma epsilon 2, sigma 1 will become sigma 2 and all other terms will be like this. Sigma 2 instead of sigma 2, that is already taken this side, so that will be sigma 1 and sigma 3. Similarly, epsilon 3 will become like this. This is the basic equation. And after that, we will write later. I will give time for writing. After that, you need to substitute back a value of epsilon in this above equation. That is, epsilon 1 should be replaced by this one, epsilon 2 will be replaced by this one, and epsilon 3 will be replaced by this one. When you look in all three equations, there are 1 by E here, that can be taken commonly outside. That's why that will become, already there is 1 by 2, right? Here all terms there is having 1 by 2, so that 1 by 2 as well as this E can be taken outside, and that will become 1 by 2E into sigma 1 is there and epsilon should be replaced. This is epsilon 1. So this equation will become sigma 1 into epsilon 1. Epsilon will be 1 will become sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 plus sigma 3. Similarly, this is sigma 2 and epsilon 2. This is sigma 3 and epsilon 3. After substituting these value, you have to multiply sigma 1 inside, or you have to take sigma 1 inside and sigma 2 inside and sigma 3 inside. When multiplying sigma 1 into sigma 1, that will become sigma 1 square. Sigma 1 into sigma 2, that will become sigma 1 sigma 2, and the third term will become sigma 1 sigma 3. Similarly, this will become sigma 2 whole square minus mu into sigma 1 sigma 2, sigma 2 sigma 3, and this equation will become sigma 3 square minus mu into sigma 2 into sigma 3 plus sigma 1 into sigma 3, as like this. You can just compare above equation with this one. When you are comparing, both these equations are same. And you can see that there is a mu into sigma 1 sigma 2 term. Here also mu into sigma 1 sigma 2 term. Similarly, sigma 1 sigma 3 term also there are two types. And sigma 2 sigma 3 also there are two numbers. So you can take it as 1 by 2e into all sigma 1 square, sigma 2 square, sigma 3 square can be taken as a common term. And since every term in the bracket having twice, so this can be written as 2 into mu into sigma 1 sigma 2 plus sigma 2 sigma 3 plus sigma 1 sigma 3. By just looking the equation, you can understand the derivation will be like this. Or this is the total internal energy, sorry, strain energy. So after that, you need to conduct a tension test, since that should be equated with the tension test. When you are doing a simple tension test, you will get sigma 1 as a sigma yt, sigma 2 and sigma 3 will not be present in a simple tension test. So we have equation as 1 ut, that is tension is mentioned as T. So ut will become 1 by 2 sigma 1 epsilon 1 plus sigma 2 epsilon 2, sigma 2 epsilon 2 plus 1 by 2 sigma 3 epsilon 3. And you can see that sigma 2 and sigma 3 will become 0. So obviously the last term, this term will be 0, this term will be 0. And finally, you need only epsilon 1 for finding ut. And when you are looking, that equation also will become 1 by e into sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 plus sigma 3. Since sigma 2 and sigma 3 are 0, this term also will be cancelled, right? So you will only having the relation as sigma 1 into epsilon 1 must have a sigma 1, so sigma 1 square by 2e, or sigma 1 is given as sigma yt, so that equation will become sigma yt square by 2e. This is the simple tension test equation, and we have already having a strain energy equation. You can equate both these equation and get that 1 by 2e into sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square minus 2 mu into sigma 1 sigma 2 plus sigma 2 sigma 3 plus sigma 1 sigma 3 equal to sigma yt by 2e. You can cancel both 2e from this side, or you can write it as the common equation, which is known as triaxial strain total maximum strain energy theory equation. And you can also write it as sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square minus 2 mu sigma 1 sigma 2 plus sigma 2 sigma 3 plus sigma 1 sigma 3 equal to sigma yt by fs whole square. This is very important. You are giving factor safety for the sigma yt. In the last case also, that should be fs should be inside the bracket. And so the final equation will become like this. Now you can reduce this triaxial stress system into biaxial, that is 2D stress system, while doing sigma 3 by sigma 3 will be cancelled. So you can write it as, for a 2D stress problem, sigma 3 will become 0. That is, if this term will cancel 0 and sigma 2 into sigma 3 will become 0, sigma 1 into sigma 3 will become 0. The final equation will be sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus minus 2 into mu into sigma 1 sigma 2 equal to sigma yt by fs raised to 2, which is known as maximum strain energy theory. ഇതാണ് ഇതിന്റെ പ്രൂഫ്. So please write down if you have any doubt. Draw yourself. Actually, that's a better thing. If you write yourself, that will be very easy. So try to write yourself, write down proof. Please write down the proof. Have you completed this one? Can you
Sir.
follow the slide? Is the simple relation? Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. Have you completed? I'm not explaining everything because I have already explained it 5 minutes before. That's why I asked you. ക്ലാസ്സിൽ അലൻ ഉണ്ടോ? അലൻ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I change the slide? Have you written?
Sir.
please write down the following steps of simple tension test. The important thing is sigma 1 should be found out as sigma yield, sigma 2 and sigma 3 will be 0 in the case of a simple tension test. മുഹമ്മദ് മർസൂഖ് ഉണ്ടോ? മുഹമ്മദ് മർസൂഖ്. മുഹമ്മദ് സെയിൻ അഷ്റഫ് ഉണ്ടോ? മുഹമ്മദ് സെയിൻ അഷ്റഫ്. മുഹമ്മദ് സെയിൻ അഷ്റഫ് ഉണ്ടോ? ഹലോ, ഒന്ന് അറ്റൻഡൻസ് ഇടോ അഷ്റഫെ? കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. 14. Have you completed? Can I change the slide? Whether Rakesh is available? Okay, I'm changing the slide. Hope you have written everything. So the next slide or the final slide is showing to you. Please write down every point. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me now because it's an important proof. After this, we need to do a problem. Have we completed this one?
ഇല്ല സർ, ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
Okay. സീരീസ് മാർക്ക് കുറഞ്ഞവരോട് എഴുതി അയക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇന്ന് 4-ാം തീയതിയാണ്. നാളെയാണ് ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേറ്റ്. നാളത്തേക്ക് അയക്കാം. I will provide the mail address in your group. You need to send your requested papers, that is remedial paper or first series paper should send to that mail ID.
Sir, ఇది.
Okay. So we will discuss the previous problem. We have already find out the answers of this one, and for that we are considering the same problem by doing maximum strain energy theory. Don't look this part. The only question is strain energy. Only in one way you need to find, that is maximum strain energy theory. Maximum strain energy theory. I will read the question. If you have already written the question, please mention that question itself. No need of writing again. The word is: a machine element is subjected to following stresses: sigma x equal to 60 megapascal, sigma y equal to 45 megapascal, tau xy equal to 30 megapascal. Find the factor of safety of if it is made of 3 to 45 steel having yield stress as 353 megapascal using maximum strain energy theory, like Hayes theory. Taking Poisson's ratio. Poisson's ratio വളരെ important ആണ് in this case because we have an equation, we have a term mu in the Hayes theory. So taking Poisson's ratio as 0.3. For that, first of all, you need to write the given data. You have already knowing this one, so you can give the given data. After that, find out sigma 1, as we have equation for sigma 1 as 1 by 2 into sigma x sigma y plus root of sigma x minus sigma y square plus 4 into tau xy square. And substituting the values of sigma x, sigma y and tau xy, you will get sigma 1 as 83.42. I'm not giving much importance for this part because you all have already done this before. And after that, you need to find out sigma 2. Here, instead of positive, you need to give negative. So if you substitute like that, you will get sigma 2 as 21.58 megapascal. We have sigma 1 as 83.42, sigma 2 as 21.58, and there will be third part, that is tau max. This is not required in our paper, but still this is a procedure. That's why I have written this one also. If you miss this term, there is no change in our answer. That is according to Hayes theory. This is our Hayes theory. Now we have studied. Just directly substitute the value. That is sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square minus 2 mu sigma 1 sigma 2 is equal to sigma yt by fs square. And after that, you need to substitute the values of sigma 1, sigma 2 in this equation as well as sigma yt. You will get 83.42 square plus 21.58 square minus 2 into 0.3 into 83.42 into 21.58 is equal to 353 divided by fs whole square. This is an important term, fs inside the bracket. So when you are solving this one, you can directly find out fs as taking square root 353 divided by root of the left hand side term, and substituting the value, you will get factor of safety. So you need to write the question. Have you written the question in the previous problem? So you can mention that thing, so you can avoid writing all these points. You can write it as from the problem mentioned, or you can mention that problem as star, and you can directly guide that answer to here till sigma q. So you can write according to Hayes theory. Just start from here. According to Hayes theory, substitute the final value of factor safety paraya. I am not going to show you. You have to calculate by your calculator and tell me the answer. Most of the problems related to theory of failures are very simple, but we have done in a particular manner that we are finding factor of safety. They may ask diameter instead of this one. For that, we need to substitute back all these equations. We have to find sigma 1 and sigma 2, and sigma 1, obviously you know that is we have an equation 1 by 2 into sigma x sigma y like that, and sigma x is, you know, that load by area. In that area we have a term diameter that may also ask, and we have to do such problems in the upcoming classes. Then only we can complete this value. What is the value of factor of safety? Have we completed this one? Please calculate and tell me factor of safety.
Four point four three.
4.43 അല്ലേ? Correct. This is our final answer. Thank you for listening to the class, and we will continue the same type problems in the upcoming class, that is tomorrow. I think tomorrow is day 1, right? നാളെ day 1 അല്ലേ വരിക?
നാളെ ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടോ?
നാളെ ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ട്.
അപ്പം ഡേ 1 ആയിരിക്കും.
നാളെ ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ട് എന്നാ എൻ്റെ അറിവ്. ഇല്ലാന്നൊന്നും ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല.
ടൈം ടേബിളില് എക്സാം ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ.
സീരീസ് മാറ്റിയില്ലേ?
ആ
ഒബ്വിയസ്ലി നാളെ day 1 ആയിരിക്കും. And if you have any doubts regarding any portions, you can ask me. നവീദ്, എനക്കൊരു ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യണം.
ആ സർ പറഞ്ഞു.
നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ പറയണ്ടേ, കുറെ നോട്ടിൽ എഴുതിയ ട്യൂട്ടോറിയൽസ് ഒന്ന് ഫോട്ടോ എടുത്ത് എനിക്കൊന്ന് അയച്ചു തരണം. ഞാൻ പോർഷൻസ് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരാം. എനിക്കൊന്ന് വാട്സപ്പിൽ എനിക്കൊന്ന് ഹായ് അയക്കോ?
ആ സർ അയക്കാം.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു. പിന്നെ റെമഡിയിൽ വെക്കേണ്ടവർ വെക്കണം, ദാറ്റ്സ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. അതേപോലെ അസൈൻമെന്റ് ഏതെങ്കിലും പെൻഡിങ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വേഗം വെക്കുക. ഒന്നാമത്തെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ അസൈൻമെന്റ് വെക്കാൻ ബാക്കിയുള്ളവരിന് വെച്ചിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല. ആക്ച്വലി അത് രാഹുൽ സാറിന്റെ ഐഡിയയിലല്ലേ ഉള്ളത്, അതെനിക്ക് കാണാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.
താങ്ക് യു സർ.
Thank you, sir.